How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Whenever you log in by providing your mobile number, for the verification you will receive a verification code in your mobile number. But if you're not able to find or receive the verification code, first of all, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. And also check your phone's network. Ensure that your phone's network is working properly. Sometimes network issue can block SMS or call. So check if you can receive SMS from other source, and if you can't, try switching your SIM card to another phone or contacting your carrier. And if that's not your case, and if your internet or your network is working all fine, but still if you are not able to get the code, ensure that you are using the correct number. Double check the phone number that you have entered to ensure that there are no typos error. You can re-enter your correct phone number and include the proper country code. And ensure you are using the same phone number that is linked with your Telegram account. If that still doesn't help you, Telegram uses a different method, or it offers the different option to receive a code that is via the voice message instead of SMS. So when requesting the code, you can select call me or voice option, and Telegram will directly call you with the verification code, and from there you can use the verification code. If that still doesn't help you, now you can clear the Telegram's cache. For that, open up settings, tap on apps, then go to Telegram. That's gonna take you to app info page. Here tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Now you can close this, and again you can reopen the application and try receiving the code again. If that still does not help you, then there might be an issue within application. So uninstall the Telegram from your device and then reinstall it from Google Play Store and try to request the code again. In order to uninstall, you have to navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall. Then open up Google Play Store and reinstall the application and try if your problem will get solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.